be with you from the start to the end. Baby, don't break my heart, oh. Break my heart, oh. I wanna be with you from the start to the end. Baby, don't break my heart, oh.
I am packing. Woo, packing. Starting to pack early because I have a lot to like process and focus on right now. So I cleaned my whole apartment and I cleaned before I need to pack so I can be focused. Actually, I need to do laundry, so let me do that now before I forget. But then I said I wanted to. Okay, let me pack up my clothes first. Okay, so anyways, I'm packing for Iynanya. So I wanted to start way ahead of time so that when it gets closer to the date, I won't feel stressed or overwhelmed or anything like that. So currently I have to go through all this.
Yeah, we out here.
Are you enjoying Nigeria?
Fine.
Oh my goodness, I'm back at the house. Inky, you're here.
I'm here.
Inky's practicing her makeup for tomorrow.
Yeah, the makeup artist was a disappointment, so.
That's dumb.
She's charging 80,000 naira.
Wow, wow, wow.
So mommy and I were like, yeah. No.
Inky, but you know you can do your own
I
makeup.
know,
like look at that.
I just wanted to have somebody do my makeup though.
It's okay.
I did 2 different eyes because I wasn't sure.
Let me see.
2 different eyes. I don't know which one
I like the. Wait, let me see again.
Because I like one of them better. I want to know which one you think. Remember what I'm wearing?
Did the costumes for Sex and the City was the designer for The Devil Wears Prada, and she called in a bunch of favors to pull this one off.
But you're doing good though. Inky's just here watching E, having a good time. This is like good. I'm so happy. Put my stuff
I have
down.
to do it now because
Oh my gosh. Hey guys, I'm here.
we don't have good lighting in here, so I have to do it now. Because everybody's like, it'll be later. I'm like, no.
Oh wow. I feel really good.
Yeah, that's what I was telling you. Like,
I feel
so much better
good.
here.
Oh my gosh. Junior, I miss my little baby. I miss my little baby. Oh my gosh. Inky, look at my book bag.
Did you change? You
Oh,
changed,
yeah.
right?
Yeah, I changed. Look at my
Is that
book
the same
bag.
one I have?
Yeah, but it's black.
Why does it look different? It looks like a different shade.
It's the same.
Oh.
I see yours. Oh yeah, yours is a little different.
Yeah.
But yeah. Oh my goodness. Yeah, I changed. I like your hair. Are you gonna be the next Wizkid? Wizkid! Still making Inky's clothes. Finishing touches. Family is everywhere. Like everywhere.
You know what to do for your own opinion.
So it won't be a lot of gathering here. So it's not very much to do. Let me eat.
These are so hectic. We're going to go take a break with Junior. I think Inky's fine. Junior, I've come to take a break. It's too much down there. Like I can't even concentrate.
What's going on down there?
Just close.
After we tie, we can pull down.
Okay.
Because-
Okay. Just keep tying. It's becoming so long.
Long?
Like yeah, the height from here to here.
No, we will adjust it.
Okay.
Hey guys, it's late.
Yeah.
And Inky's tying her head tie for her stuff. On Chidalu, who's under there. I can't.
Is that your bad hand?
Yeah. No, I'm using the good fingers.
Yeah.
I just need somebody to like.
Everyone's passed out.
So many times.
So yeah, I had a good little cat nap, so I woke up and see if I can curl my hair so that when we wake up in the morning, you know, my hair's already done, so I can do other things for Inky. So I have no idea what time it is. Good morning. We're still cooking in the kitchen.
Hey, Mama,
Yeah.
what are you taking?
The pigs in the blanket.
Okay. You want to snap us?
No, just the cooking.
Why? Only the cooking.
Oh yeah, good morning, mommy.
Good morning. I'm still in my PJ.
That's not PJs.
Yeah, that's my PJ. Your daddy and Junior picked this PJ for me for Nigeria. That's their best pick.
But that's, I mean, it doesn't look like PJs. It looks like regular clothes.
I didn't tell you when we went to Marshall's. This is from Marshall's.
It looks good though.
This is PJ. Your daddy and Junior felt like that's what I'm gonna wear in Nigeria. That's African. I just have to do it to make them happy.
Well, my Auntie Rose is making pigs in a blanket for the guests. Huh? What'd you say? I was taping your food. I'm taping your food.
Okay. You took the meat, what pig is it? What?
Pigs in a blanket. Original recipe, right?
Yes.
Yep. So yeah. So now we're gonna go make the gifts. Let me show you a little sneak peek of what's going on outside. Because like all the doors are closed to the house, so we can't go outside. But I'll show you like a little sneak peek of what I can see from here. This is the front, and you see the canopies, and over there, like you can barely see. Like I can't even find a window to look. But yeah. But now we're gonna make we're making the gifts for the guests, like the gift bags. So we're making the gifts now?
Yes, I'm going to go and open the door.
The door is open, I just went in there.
You went in there?
Yeah.
Gift place. This is the gift place.
Bags on bags on bags everywhere. So we're just still setting up everything.
Someone doesn't come in right now.
What?
You can't be doing
dancing.
Hey, God, Osinachi, Kamnopa, Osinachi, one man, Osinachi, Opachi, Osinachi, Kamnopa, Osinachi. So you might this song. Are you for real? This song is the latest banger right now.
I have no idea.
Are you serious? You haven't no.
Hey guys, we're about to start getting ready. We just finished like making the gift bags and everything.
That's another good song.
I took it down.
I don't know. I don't feel
Tired.
What the what?
Which one? No, nice.
So we're like picking songs for like dancing and stuff. We're about to start getting ready.
Oh my God!
You can't hide from the camera. She wants to hide.
Yo, man. No, be you are the check on you.
I'm out.
When I can start, go that way.
You can't hide from the camera.
Okay, I'm not ready.
So the photographers just got here. Inky's still finishing touches. Inky, do you need anything?
Hello.
Did you have the... It's over there.
I gave you the shirt off my back with
baby daddy, baby, you could be my wife.
Because the light. I'm gonna have to touch up that makeup. This is too much. Hey. Good. Arch that back.
She said she wants some collabo. She need them badly, be like tornado. How should I say her baby? My baby. Oh, I was like, I saw it. I saw it. I was like, you know what? What do you want me to hear? No,
Oh, I love the colors. There's Lawrence.
If I dance too strong, how much you go down in time? I dance it now. Well, I go back now, show my position. Well, I go back now, show my
Okay, let's go. Okay, the first time. No. You want to send it to us?
Yeah.
Okay, together. Okay. Okay, let's go.
I will spell the name Jesus, then you cut the cake.
Okay.
Here we go. J.
Okay, look here.
X. U. S. Jesus.
Okay. Look at shoulder. No. What? Take it. Okay.
I love your smile.
Okay, with a smile.
Good morning. Uke's leaving to Lawrence's village right now. Hope she didn't leave.
You know, they take.
Yeah, Juno had my vlog.
Man, I walk out and they print a picture about. One is in alone, you can one go print it. Be a shot them over. When they print beautiful pictures.
We are very busy.
I didn't know.
Oh, print it, son. When they are safe, I take a picture.
So many times, even I know my he knows his way. And the road is good from Untitled Chapter.
And that's not what's here, and I am busy at the phone and then I'm
Uke's on her way.
Ready?
So, yes, I'm in here now.
Bon voyage.
Can you make sure my phone is in the back of my bag? In the big pocket, in the main pocket. It's sitting there.
So, lose you on that one.
Okay.
What's going on? She doesn't have any clothes. You're coming back with her?
Yeah, I'm coming back.
Okay.
Because Chibo traditional wedding.
Yeah.
Traditional wedding friend.
There is never time. Okay.
Yes. They had me do that yesterday when my cousins like. I was like, I don't do that.
I don't do that. I know.
You know, it's not
In Nigeria.
let's just go around.
We're patients in Nigeria. Patients.
Oh my God.
What about the top one? Yeah, that's. What about this one?
Okay, because
My sunglasses. Do you see sunglasses in there?
Where?
Can you check in my bag?
Like which pocket?
Small one.
Yeah, it's here.
Can you get it out?
Yeah.
what is that?
Uke's sunglasses.
Okay. Did you call phone
Here.
again?
Yeah.
Can I use my own phone?
It's in the kitchen.
Yeah, my Nigerian phone.
They're all together. Because I had both of them.
Uke's on her way.
I'll be back later.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Huh? Daddy's calling me.
Oh, Daddy's calling me.
Is are the umunnas. You can get the umunnas too. These are our people. The umunna G umunna.
Okay.
It's okay.
How are you?
Good morning.
Yeah, Ada. When do you come?
Yes, 2 days ago.
How many days now?
2.
2 days. Yeah, welcome.
Thank you. Thank you.
Oh, yeah, I'm an idea. Okay, thank you.
Come.
What is that? Oh. JJ? JJ, the jet plane, that's you. So, Inky, day after the wedding.
Yeah.
It was pretty hectic.
It was pretty crazy. I feel like I didn't get to enjoy it as much as I thought just because it was just like, I never sat down. It was just like in and out, in and out, in and out. But it was...
Clothes change,
what I did participate in was fun.
Yeah.
Clothing changes. Oh my God. It took forever. So, yeah. But it was fun. It was fun.
Junior, did you enjoy?
Yeah.
It was crazy.
It was cray.
Very crazy.
Yeah. Very hectic. So Inky's about to go to her new village, so that's what we're waiting for. Jesus, let's move over here. Oh, they can't. What were you doing?
Watching.
Okay, you have to do an outfit of the day now. Outfit of the day.
Outfit, yeah. She's like, what?
You gotta talk about your outfit.
Like, seriously?
Yeah. She's shy. Outfit of the day. Where'd you get your dress? So you're saying you're wearing your red dress? Bye, Inky. Say hi to your new village people. Mommy, don't cry. Mommy, don't cry.
If it was yesterday, I would have cried. Not today.
Yeah.
Yeah, but Inky has a new family now. He has a new village now, and she's gone. But we're waiting because she will still come back because there is no wedding yet.
Yep.
But we're happy for her. We like the Keduru people. They came in numbers that we couldn't count yesterday. They stormed this place.
Yeah.
Lauren said they're gonna storm this place. They did. They stormed this place. And we appreciate that.
Junior, flex your muscles. Alright, I'm gonna do my makeup real quick. Actually not quick. I'm gonna take my time. But I will be doing my makeup. Oh, let's keep this on here like that. So I've already primed my face with my Urban Decay All Makeup Setting Spray first. And then I'll put my primer on. Because the way I did my makeup yesterday for the wedding, like it lasted. No, I'm talking to my camera. The way I did my makeup yesterday, it lasted. So, which is really good. In the heat and dancing, my face never moved. So, I'm going to do the same kind of base I did yesterday for today. Even though I won't be doing anything like dancing and stuff, but it's going to be hot. So, this is the Becca primer. My Smashbox Photo Finish primer. So when I want really good primerish base, I always do two.
Juicer.
Power juicer.
We have everything. We have a microwave. You see the toaster oven. We have a fryer. Probably ever bought us everything.
We already started killing Inky's cake. It was good.
What's it now?
Juice plantain.
Juice plantain.
Juice plantain and then drink it. See how
No, you can juice the watermelon. You can make watermelon.
What's in here? Watermelon juice.
Oh,
Yeah, Inky's back.
I'm back. She came back.
No, this is what they
Did
made
you
me
have
do
fun at
yesterday.
your new
This is what
village?
they made me do yesterday. I was like,
I don't know, but
they said do peace. I said.
did you have fun at your new village?
Yeah, it was fun. I'm glad that Father Ever and Colonel went with went with me because it made it more fun. Like, I think it went perfectly, so I had fun with them. They made it enjoyable. The two of them are geek. Hey, geek, I really geek out. Yeah. No, seriously, it was fun. It was like we're coming back telling all these stories, like things were happening and we were just exchanging looks from across.
Yeah, so we have an issue. The Wi-Fi is down, so we can't even do anything.
The Wi-Fi's down.
So Junior was like, let's do movies.
No, let's do Kumbaya. We can hold hands and sing village spiritual rituals. What do you guys think?
Rain dance?
Yes.
Nah.
Exactly.
Nah.
We will sing the old songs from the village. Yes. Mama is upstairs. We will we will go upstairs and sing village tunes.
Nah. Yeah.
Come back now the place of the fryer.
Turn the fryer on.
Yeah, no, that's it.
Mommy, how do I turn it on?
The on button. Where it says on slash off.
Where?
I have no idea.
Wait, it's on because it has a timer. You still have pigs in a blanket.
Oh, we do? Because I was going to ask.
No, this is the muffins. And I think Auntie's packaged them.
All of them?
Yeah.
That one looks good. We have bread.
Oh yeah, I'm gonna eat my
We have bread.
We have apples.
Butter.
Wow.
Yeah, it's like ice cream.
Oh gosh.
But it was completely warm at one point.
Oh wow, this is really hard.
Yeah.
Gosh.
How do you certain margarine that's really hard? Remember how it's like the spreadable?
Oh
kind
yeah,
of
yeah.
soft?
You gotta put this in the microwave. A lot of bread.
Yeah.
Saturday.
The pig's in a blanket.
Yeah. Oh yeah, it's in the freezer.
In the freezer?
Let me see. Grandma's room. She feels lonely.
Oh really? Okay.
Yeah. And I can't be there all the time. Yeah,
Yeah, I was taking care of her a little bit.
You were?
Yeah, because I made her tea and stuff.
Gina just went. Proud of him.
Oh, he did?
Yeah, I just told him to go and he went.
Yeah.
One.
I'll just take one.
Oh, okay.
I prefer that thing on the floor.
Yeah.
Because the first time we did it, yeah, but the first time we fried it, I wasn't sure, like, you never know, like, because new fryers not sure if it's too hot, if you have enough oil,
Yeah.
it's going to splash up. Like, the first time I was like, Mommy, stand back.
I'm about to start curling my hair for the day. We're going to another wedding today, our friend's wedding. That is in Anambra State. Juna, did you have a problem?
Ew!
I heard you making some clapbacks back there, huh?
Christmas clapback.
New Year's clapback. Junior.
Ibango clapback.
I know, right? Junior, look at me. Junior! I'm already zoomed in, so get up. Junior, just show your face.
Okay, he really zoomed in on him.
Yeah. You can zoom out. Woo! 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 Yeah, I'm about to start curling my hair. Firing up the curling wand. Junior.
Junior said he wanted to be first in line to slap ya.
So we're ready for the day.
You have to get
We're on our way to our friend's traditional marriage as today. Round 2.
Is there a bunch going next to them?
Yeah. Are you gonna come back up here?
Huh?
Are you gonna come back up here?
Yeah, Junior gets here, but they have to do some. Oh, Junior, you. Now, they also PJ and I'm moving.
Which car?
Come along, never.
He went to the car because I said we're ready.
Okay, I'm going to front door. I got it.
Okay. Yeah, so we're finally leaving now. What? Hello.
How are you?
I'm fine. How are you guys?
Fine.
That's good. Yeah. My friend is getting married today.
Okay.
Yeah. Yes. Bye. Junior can sit in the back.
No, he's sitting in front.
Okay.
We have a limited amount of spaces that I can actually climb into, so that's why I'm asking. Who can climb the most?
Inky, can you climb the most?
No. Trying to gauge. Mommy says has on the most comfortable skirt ever, so she might have to sit in the back. How far can
We're
you go?
trying to. This is Inky. This is how far I can go.
Yeah, you're not even gonna get far.
Cross no goddess. Inky's still contemplating.
I know. I'm trying to think about it. If I can actually get back there.
I'm gonna go from the other side. And go to the other side because Inky might take forever. Inky, you're alive. You're alive.
If he does acrobatics. I'm gonna have to probably swim. Shimmy. You should go backwards. You should go backwards.
Yeah.
Okay. So. Oh, you're good. You're almost there.
This is the best way to do it.
Should have closed the door because it's gonna get hot. Oh, I didn't know you could do that. You tried to. You did well. You did well.
I made it.
You did well.
Where's my book bag?
Everybody clap for her.
We made it, guys. We made it.
I was supposed to go back and say bye to people, but I didn't have a chance to.
Okay, this chair needs to relax back.
You don't even know if it does in your ass.
Are you going with us?
Oh,
yeah, you're the fast. Let's go now.
Okay.
How do you relax the chair?
You know, lace on skin and feet don't match. You know that, right?
Okay. We Gucci. We Gucci.
I don't understand how we're this late. Like, I don't understand.
Yeah.
I've been saying it since morning. I thought we were leaving
It's
at,
pretty
like,
late. My lens is dirty.
Okay.
This is not a road, guys. Oh, God. Wow. This is how bumpy the roads are in Nigeria when you are in the village.
Hey, I can't just.
Whoa!
Some car is. Nara loser. Islands, oh, Nara.
Right?
Mm-hmm.
Don't even think about that one.
Yeah.
Don't even think about it.
We're currently in Uke Village.
This is how. It's bad. It's not quite as bad, but.
Let's zoom in on the voyage.
Here, drive this all the time. Yeah, but why can't somebody just like fix it?
So I will stop the vlog here since it's a little bumpy. Same time I
My friend, nobody and I about this DJ. Only boss name black watcher.
Thank you. I'm just asking for it. I've already had that experience before and I'm not going again, so. I don't know, but he's not doing anything. Woman's standing right there. She just noticed. You see her double take? He's not even doing anything. Look at him!
Yeah, you're right.
They don't even do it anymore. They're not chasing anybody.
Busy market.
I bet you should have bought glasses. You see better. Can you see them though?
Look at that cafe. It looks cool.
I know it does. It looks chill.
Mm-hmm.
Do that.
In due time.
Nah, probably never.
In Lagos. I mean.
Yeah, but.
Everyone eat cake.
Where's the... Oh, right there.
The cake is being eaten little by little. Okay.
We'll use this side. Be like, boom.
Okay.
They die easily.
They do?
Yeah.
Okay.
So I've
I
seen
don't
it
want that
before.
splatter though.
No, they don't splatter.
They don't splatter.
They don't
It's
splatter.
like killing like a flat. He's flat. You know, this is flies don't splatter.
Yeah, it doesn't splatter. Yeah, there's a gecko in our room, so we're gonna go try to get it.
Oh, you're going? I just need to like wrap up my stuff.
Wait, am I gonna kill this?
Yeah, that's what we talked about. You were like, yeah.
No, I thought we were gonna. I actually agreed on the broom part.
Yeah, that we said.
What else are you gonna do with the broom?
We said, yeah, we said.
We
we said,
agreed
why
on
don't
using the
we-
broom to kill it, but
Yeah.
we
Why
never
don't we
agreed
accompany
on.
Junior and all of us in the bathroom together and Junior will kill it. We'll all stand with it. And we said, yeah, yeah. That's not what he says.
Yeah, I don't wanna kill it.
Yes,
Yes. Let's go.
Why do you have to kill it though?
Because it needs to get out.
We don't have to kill it, like really. We don't even know where it is right now.
I saw it in the window.
It's obviously moved since then.
How is it obvious? Exactly.
Well, you find it, tell me where it's at, and then I'll come. Okay. Got the door open.
Oh, it opened.
Oh my god, iffy. No, it could be anywhere.
No, it's not. No, they only stay by the windows. That's the thing.
Yeah.
Are we waiting for Inky?
Could be anywhere, iffy. You kept the door open.
I really have to go to the bathroom too.
I'll check and see if it's escaped. It won't bite you. Audio. Tell me when you see it, I'll come.
I saw it.
No, you didn't. You just said you didn't see it.
No, the first time.
Yeah, you didn't see it the second time.
Because it went in the window, like behind the little bars.
You're such a liar.
Junior,
It's
I
not
saw
there.
it.
It's not
Why would
there.
I lie?
Welcome to Niger.
I like that.
Why can't we just say regular?
Welcome to Niger.
No.
Welcome to
Go up, go up.
Welcome to Niger.
I like that one.
Wait, go up one more.
Welcome to Niger.
I like that.
Welcome to welcome to welcome to
Yeah.
But I don't get like what's the rhythm? Like how am I gonna like?
Yeah, that's the thing.
No, you know the rhythm. It doesn't have to do what. You can just say welcome to Niger and then do that.
Be like, no, you can welcome to Niger. Woke up in Niger. And then something else, and then that's it.
You don't have to repeat the same thing.
Woke up in Niger. You know something in pigeon, like something in Niger?
What? Pigeon what?
Like just a pigeon word. Like enjoying or
something, you know, like enjoying, having fun.
I'm thinking in ego words.
Yeah.
That was better.
Woke up in Niger.
I wanna be with you from the start.